Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Last time I shared with you guys another Tenten nail polish haul, and that's the second time we've bought nail polishes from Nippon Aesthetics official shopping mall. And I've finished swatching the entire Midsummer Dream collection too. If you guys haven't seen those videos yet, the links are available below. So for today's video, I'll be swatching the 6 nail polishes that we've bought from the second haul. As some of you might already know, I always apply my favorite peel-off nail mask before every swatch. The first shade to swatch is called Blueberry Swirl. Now for the second coat. Blueberry Swirl has a bit of a darker tone to Tenten's other shade called Mint Green. I'll be doing a comparison of those two soon on my Instagram. Second is Late Night London. For the second coat, I'm using my cell phone camera flash to show you guys the holographic confetti of the nail polish. Late Night London is packed with gold micro glitters infused with holographic confettis. Third we have is Pina Colada. Now for the second coat. It's still not super opaque, so let's apply a third coat. Pina Colada has a bright yellow shade that's opaque within 3 coats. Next is Fuchsia Pink. Now for the second coat. Fuchsia Pink reflects its name to its shade, and it has a jelly formula. Next we have is Cornflower Blue. Now for the second coat. Cornflower Blue has an in-between shade of blue and gray. And lastly, we have is Monte Carlo. And it only needs 1 coat. Monte Carlo is a gorgeous mustard shade. As always, Tenten's formula is one of the greatest. They are fast drying and 5-free. From these 6 nail polishes, which shade would you love to try next? If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!